Alright, so we are landing at Nakamoto International Airport in our beautiful city that you can see right here. So on the left you can see a desert area, which we're going to explore together in a second, and that's the main part of the city, that big green area. And here on our right you can see the airport, the Nakamoto International Airport. We also have a greener area in the back there that you're currently not able to see because it's behind the main area of the city. And right, let's take this beautiful red car and go for a quick ride through our metaverse. I want to get started by showing you this beautiful city and how these houses come to be here. So let's take a ride and go towards a less populated areas. So some of these houses are pre-built, but we have about 2,000 plots in total, of which 71 have been pre-built with houses, but we enable our users to build their own houses, turn them into NFTs, and then place them onto these NFT plots. So the first step building a home is to actually design your floor map, and our designer enables you to create your floor map in a very simple way. Simply with your mouse you're going to be able to drag around these corners and make your house look the way you want it to be. So you're able to fully flexibly design your floor map depending on what size of a house you want, what form factor, how many bedrooms, maybe you want to have your family move into the metaverse with you. And we quickly move into the three-dimensional space. We add the walls, add the door frames we want, add some cool windows to be able to get some air in and some light during the... Now that we've added the windows, we're actually able to flexibly change the sizes. So it gives our users the full customizability they're looking for when building a home. This will create a new generation of digital architects creating NFT real estate. And look at this amazing flexibility while you're designing. You're able to create very modern form factors in your house. You're able to change the layout of your windows using multiple frames. You're able to even go down to your doors and change their looks. So it's a full customizability experience that we'd like to give to our users. Once we're done, we're able to save it and use this floor map in the home designer that we're going to jump into right now. So we can change our floor, add some beautiful wooden floors to it, bring in some cabinets in our kitchen. See how quickly everything goes. It's simply as if you're playing Sims. Only with the difference that you're able to create a digital asset here that you're able to use yourself. You can live in it, but you can also trade it. So, digital architects, digital interior designers, welcome into Metaverser. Now, there is a big opportunity for third parties such as IKEA maybe, or other furniture companies to come and collaborate with us and place their objects in the Metaverser home builder. So let's continue our quick tour. Well, that was a little detour into the Metaverser home builder, but now we're going into the more deserted area in our beautiful Cactus County. So what can we see here? It's a beautiful balloon. Here you'll be able to join missions, races, and other types of cool activities. Also, you're able to meet up with other fellow metaversers who come here and just want to hang out. They just want to talk to you. They want to play with you. They want to hang around, socialize in this beautiful virtual world. So let's move on and drive up a hill. Alright, so let's go and take a look at some of the buildings here, and you can see some other characters here. Now, we want to aim to have all of the characters be real people with real jobs and actual own characteristics. So these people you can see here are just for demo purposes. We're gonna jump into a live demo together in the future. You're hopefully going to be able to play Metaverser live on our website, metaverser.me, in the very, very soon future. So let's drive away into a different area of our Metaverse. If I don't crash into more things. I need to improve my driving skills. Oops, yes, I'm crashing all the way through. Alright, ooh, that car was worse than me at driving. Alright, okay, so this is my favorite part in the Metaverse. It's the greenest area that we have, and it's just full of beautiful trees just screaming at you. You can see the weather's changing, it's raining, and you can also see random cars just placed across the Metaverse. Now, we have arrived at a pretty beautiful destination here. So let's get out of the car and actually change the view so we can see our character, which, by the way, is generated using a 3D scan of our face, detecting 482 biometric spots and representing us in the Metaverse using our own real face if we choose to. Of course, we're still able to hide that identity if we'd like to do that. So we're back in the main part of the city. Let's go home, and you can see here, this is my home. A lot of cool, nice furniture. I'm just going through this very quickly with you so you get a quick idea. There's a lot of things we're covering in this video. Now let's move on and go. Now let's move on and go towards another place in our Metaverse, and you can see here that we actually have highways and we're arriving at the airport. So this is where you're going to be able to fly off within Metaverser to other different islands and destinations, but we want to collaborate with other Metaverses in order to create Metaverse interoperability, enable our users and their users to travel between and within Metaverses with ease.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul. I know somewhere we could get away. If you wanna find another place, love, disappear and never.
Soon we're going to be releasing native versions of the Metaverser application for Mac, Windows, and hopefully at some point in the future on mobile, but we've already started working on building this out for virtual reality platforms. So more on that also in the future. So this is the airport. You're able to fly off to different cool locations either within the Metaverse or outside of it using Metaverse interoperability hopefully in the future. Now I want to quickly give you a demonstration of one of the core features of our game, which is a virtual miner. So players within Metaverser are able to acquire miners and mine the token of the game within their homes or using one of the 300 slots available in the mining data centers. So you acquire one of these miners, you place them either in your home or in a data center, and you're able to start mining the MTVT token. So it automatically connects to your MetaMask account, rewards you whenever you come to empty it, and it's very beautifully illustrated on top as well. You can see live whenever it goes up. So You get a live overview of your tokens being mined virtually in the Metaverse, creating a new generation of virtual miners. You can of course see all of the transactions. Great. So, I hope you enjoyed today's quick overview of Metaverser. It was really a delight to show you around. Now let's quickly go take a look at one of the offices in the Metaverse. And ooh, that's me in old. That's me in old because that's my office. Homer, the project where I'm the founder and CEO of, right here advertised across this entire building. Let's go take a look what's happening. Oh, that's actually one of my developers. That's Saeed. He's been coding all day again. And oh, that's Saya, my UI UX engineer. Great. I hope you got a great overview. I hope you enjoyed it today. And I really hope to be working with you soon in the future. Hopefully our next meeting is going to be in the Metaverse. Goodbye.